Daly, you're taking forever.
Daly, stop pooping.
What'd she say?
I don't want to poop.
You don't have the pleasure from school.
Okay, I say 4.
I say 4.
No, promise.
4. Oh, you did 2.
I swear to God. Lauren's just...
4.
Okay. I say 5.
Oh, that's how we put cheat, but no, we
I put
didn't.
5.
I don't want to put
Why
5.
do you keep putting more?
I said 5.
Come on.
We're done. Deal is closed after this.
Close deal.
I put 6, no, I'm sure.
I'd fold.
Okay. Did anyone else fall?
I didn't want it.
What's 4 plus 7? 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Can I have more?
I need 2.
Can I have
God.
some more?
I went
1, 2,
over.
wait, okay, 7.
Adele looks confused.
7,
No,
8,
I'm
9,
not
10, 11, 12,
I'm-
13, 14, 15, 16. Hit me, baby.
Count silently. We're gonna know what you got,
6.
dummy.
Wait,
Remember, you
4,
can raise the
8,
bid if you
9,
got
10,
something
11,
good.
12, 13, 14,
And you think you got better
17.
than her. And she has 17, so if you got better than 17, you might want to put more in.
What happens if you have the same thing?
You have the same thing? Well, then you guys are going to have to split the pot. That or one of you take a risk.
I put all in.
That or you guys split the all in.
I was just joking.
Then you would realize it'd be beneficial to her.
No.
You ready?
No. No. I'm not that stupid, guys.
Okay, do you both have 17?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well,
Wait, guys, count just in case.
count hers, Kate.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
13,
16,
17.
Okay.
That's 14. Excuse me, ma'am.
What about 3?
That's 21.
No.